everyone, welcome back to Operation Exploration. Okay, so disaster in the last episode. Let's try and fix this issue. It seems to be rotating here now randomly. I'm not too sure why. Maybe it's because we're hooked up to this here. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to unhook from it and just take a wee bit of a step back from it. It should fix things, because the last thing I want now is this for it to rotate completely out of control. Move it out of the way here. Undo there. I'll leave that parked there. I think that has stopped the rotation yet. Now, the good thing is we haven't lost our guns. I thought we did there for a second, but I think we've lost our cargo container that was linked between here and here, so we need to get that replaced. And just check, see, that's okay. Right. Let's get that built. I was thinking overnight as well, just after playing it, and I was like, what can I do to make this a lot better, no, like a lot safer? Oh, that's got it all size, that's good. What other underneath? I think there was ports on top of this, wasn't there? Am I getting mixed up here? No, there was just an engine, okay. Right, so let's get this evident. Also, I just noticed yesterday, I was looking back at the footage, that the just gonna turn down the sound a wee bit. So I noticed yesterday that it was a bit too loud. You couldn't really hear me too much on it. So I apologise in advance for that. What do I need for this? Interior plate. Let's get some interior plate. Let's see, introduction. That's it. And I just realised as well, all our orange, nice and all, will be probably gone after that incident. Also, I found out as well why it went out of orbit, because the remote control block was over here. It wasn't down here. So I'm thinking of putting a redundancy issue in as well. Something that will, you know, like, keep everything sort of redundant and working as it should in the event that, you know, that incident happens again. So let me see, let's get a corner block for a conveyor. Oh, conveyor. And what we'll do is we'll get a corner. That's chain junction, curved corner, yeah. Let's go in there. And then it is a normal what is it? There's nothing along here there, no. So it's literally curls up. And T-junction here. I suppose that can be an ordinary junction box, that's alright. And then a T-junction here. It looks like we'll have to use these. Oh, that's a column. Conveyor. We'll use the pipe ones. They're a lot better. The T-junction now. There we go. And then the vent was on the front of it, if I remember right. There we are. Right. Now let's get the shell of this here done. Now I am starting to regret doing this in tissue paper, pretty much. No, the thin light armor, but the whole thing was we weren't supposed to encounter anything that close. And I've never encountered anything that close to Earth before. No, like in space, pretty much. I suppose there's a first time for everything. So we'll get this here built. This here. And then this is just solid, I think. It's this. 2 ion thrusters. The these ones. They're going lengthways. And then it is ordinary plate. And then we're going to what's this? Yeah, this one. And then it is ordinary plate. That's it. Put that in along here. And then half plate. There we go. And then it is. Oh, we are missing a tube there by the looks of things. Right, so the tube is going 1 block away from the. Wait. Oh, right. Now, how many blocks away is it from between? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's let's get the point. Just double check that. Actually, it doesn't seem right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8, but on the 9th block over. So there's 8. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's on this one. Was it not connected up to that? Something's not right here. Something is not right. Because that seems to be 1 block away, see, from the edge of those. Whereas this here seems to be 2 blocks away. Oh wait, no, that's not right. Something is very wrong here. Is this thing even symmetric? Right, so we've got 4 windows, engine. 4 windows, engine. It should be 1 block away from this, which should be about here. Puts it about there. That's about right. Yes, that's about right. So why is it telling me to put it here? What's going on here? Something's not right. Let's see now. Let's try that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And on the 13 block is it. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 block it is, yeah. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the 6th block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And something's not right. This thing seems to be longer than it's supposed to be. Something is very, very wrong. And it's probably clear as day to anybody that's watching this, but for some reason it's not. Surely it doesn't need to go out any further than this. Something is very wrong. Right, I'll have to do this again. Right, so we've got 4 let me see now, let's go to the thing. Right, so we've got 4 windows. 4 windows. 2 engines. 2 engines. 3 blocks before you go to a rotator. 3 blocks before you go to a rotator. And 3 blocks before you go to a rotator. directly above the rotator we have a blank block, but it's one to the inside. Directly above this here, and over one it should be on the inside. Right, okay, I think I see what's going on here. Yes, I see what's going on. It's not actually symmetric. It's not. And I remember now why it's not. Because the conveyor tube was here, and we said for convenience we'll just put it there and we'll put the gun on top. So it is actually okay. It's alright. It is symmetric. It is symmetric in terms of solar panel placements. It's not in terms of the gun placement on top. So we're okay. Right, so let's finish off repairing this here. So we'll start off with this here direction and we'll work back over. Right, so this is this here, so there's just 3 of those. And then it is back to this one. And then it is solid block. We're taking those 2 things off.
Inventory full.
And these are coming off too. That's staying. And we're missing another engine here.
Inventory full.
That's going there, that's okay. And then they're coming off.
Inventory full.
And it is number 6. And then this here's going on here. And then this is going around. And then it's unlocked. Perfect, that's that fixed. Right, so we're just missing a few items to finish those engines. Probably thruster components, construction components, and thruster components. Okay, let's get a bunch of those made. And we'll get this here hooked back up to the space station. Connect into the middle of it. And then just check the front. There we are. Alright, is the hydrogen filling up at all? Probably because we haven't hooked it all up properly. What's that? That was an enemy, so okay, it's going away. Alright, let's go down and fix the rest of the damage inside. Now, I don't know what was in here. Oh yes, and they weren't in solid blocks either. That's right, I remember that now. They were turned. These 2 here.
Inventory full.
They were this here that was turned around. Like that. To give a bit of, a turn. And then in here, I can't remember what was in there. But I think what we'll do is we'll put a battery in there. Just in case that happens again. Right, now let's get the this here built first. So this needs construction components, metal grids. Okay, very good. And that there needs to be connected back up as well. Construction components and metal grids. Right, let's go. Right, and then there's just I think that was a star junction there, on a star junction.
Inventory full.
I think that was oh, it's starting to rotate again. I think that was a oh,
Inventory
nope,
full.
apparently not. Let me see, that's a 9, but that was that there. Then it was curved tube, which is this, and then it was a solid pipe just the whole way. Branched, it's just ordinary. There we are. And then we put the vent on the front. Vent, there it is. Let's go on here. Right, that's everything hooked up by the looks of things, that's good. Gravity component's still here, that's good. We're missing lights. I think I did have a projector. Might actually run the projector in here very quickly. We do need the rest of the catwalks. They're just grids. It's alright. Not be walking in there too much anyway. Right. Looks like everything is pretty much up. We seem to be missing something. Doesn't seem to be pressurized. I'd say it's because oh, that's solid. That's supposed to be solid block in there.
Inventory full.
And that's this here. Oh, something's gone off. Oh, hopefully it didn't run out of hydrogen. Right, so we're looking just for thruster components, so we do need the platinum. Right, this thing is now under its own battery power and solar power. Oh, I hope it didn't take the those engines didn't sap the. Oh no, so the hydrogen was set to fill on voyage, so it shouldn't have pulled it from that. Right, we need to make thruster components. And we'll make 1,000 of those as well. Good, they're just making away. Well, if this doesn't go green, we'll have to go out and do an exterior check. Okay, apparently not. Right, let's have a look. So in here looks okay so far. That's the engine. Yeah, it looks okay up here. Let's do an exterior check. Just see now, because there was 2 balls. One made a direct hit and sort of targeted right there. Oh, that's missing something. What's that missing? Thruster components. Right, that could be what's stopping this entire thing from getting made. Let's see. Yeah, it looks okay there. What about this side? Yeah, that's been blanked off. That's alright. You know, in order to keep things together, we could put like a weird looking bar that goes down here. So even if they shoot the middle of this, you know, some parts of it are still keeping it together. But it would have made sense to make, you know, like one line of it out of solid heavy armor blocks. It doesn't get damage. Alright, let's check to see what's happening with this production here. We seem to be out of something. Yeah, we're out of resources pretty much. Okay. What we could do is, let me see now. Where is that? Cargo. Large cargo. This is going to be ISS. Okay. Let's move everyone over to that. So it'll pull whatever it needs. And there's green, that's good, we're getting pressurization. Very, very good. Alright, we're not bothered with the lights right now because that's not a priority. But we can get this back into an orbit now. Once we get the orbital remote black pot back in. So I'm actually thinking we should put that somewhere roughly in the middle. Somewhere where it won't be okay. We can open up our... Oh, it's not pressurized yet. Oh, cause yeah, there's no I forgot. There's no hydrogen, so we need more ice. Right. Suppose we could do with a few oxygen tanks in the thing. Yeah, why did I not put oxygen tanks on this? I think they could probably fit along the ceiling there. Small amounts of harsh when in contact with sunlight. Alright, okay. No, we just need oxygen tank. They can go along here.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
And then, because there's two there, we could put one. That's 5 blocks away, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here.
Inventory full.
And same down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Inventory full.
And then 9. Right, so large steel tubes and small steel tubes. Large steel tubes and small steel tubes. Where's the large ones? There. Is it actually making them? Yep, it is. Good. There's there working away. And it's probably not assembling it right now because they're getting built. So we need to pull it from down here. I think all the assemblers are down here. Yes, we need to pull it from down here. I wonder if we can access that from here. Let's see. Nope. I need to get to a port. Probably get it from here. Well, let's put it all in there. There we go. All steel tubes. So, steel plates seem to be the main thing. So I'll get this one here done first, which is just computers and steel plates. And this one here is pretty much everything. Let's see. Let's go to assembler. This, and 5,000 of these. Actually, we'll go over 10,000. Quite enough. And that's enough. Right, and then what it goes, we just make sure that our build planner is clear. Right click that. And go in here. And pull back whatever we need. There we go. And same with here. Once we get this here connected, the rest should do the same. There we go. And it should weld off everything else. Okay, so there's our auction farm set up. So we have auction regardless of what happens. We could do it, put an event down here as well. In the event that if that was to happen again. We could put event. We could put a junction here and put event on the side. Yeah. Couple events in. Right, let's get the remote block put in as well. Alright, let's get the components for that. And we'll put this down. I suppose I'll have to go here again. Yeah, I'll have to go here again. Right, 9. And it's going face forward. There we are. And now we can set it up. Now, what is that supposed to be called? That is called see now. The program, is any at least one Jersey or at least one thruster. Additionally, you can add the following optional components to extend functionality. And display, the orbit displays, planet, run arguments for it, blah blah blah. Okay, the program will tell you what needs to function. Okay, a ship controller, remote or cockpit with the name orbit controller. Orbit controller, okay. And let's go in here and name this. Remote. And this is called orbit controller. There we go. Let me just check to see if those arguments are right. Yeah, it is. That they're okay. They're running the actual program block and not the actual remote. That's good. So what we'll do now is we'll take this down towards orbit and we'll get it set off again. So we need to take it to ISS point 1 or whatever the closest one is and set it off from there. Alright, they're all shown. That's good. So we need to go to ISS point 3, looks to be the closest, so let's go to that. Oh, I'm going in the wrong direction, oopsie. So we'll have to go backwards with it. Yeah, I'm looking behind me, I forgot. Right, let's take it back. Right, here we go. Okay. So we'll take it to about 200 or so. I think we're getting connected. Yeah, we've got all the bases connected up. So yeah, we just need to restart the game for them signals to come out. So there's them coming up there now. So we've got the moon base, we've got the space relay station, and then we've got the exploration base coming up there as well. Right, I'm just gonna let it go from there. What's that? Light star. So I continue with that. Also, which one was controlling our solar alignment script? Was that Bronco block still there? Shift it down as well a wee bit. So it's going down and backwards at the same time. I think I'm going to give this a wee bit of a boost using the Voyage. Oh, need to be careful with them bumps. Oh, I can't even get out. Alright, let's give this a bit of a boost. Oh, it's frying the... It's frying the... Yeah, it's alright. Or I'll speed this thing up. Just gonna tilt it around as well. I'll get it there. Right, we've got that. Now let's go back in. Oh, that's the wrong side. Right, don't go too far now. Just gonna aim it a wee bit towards. Alright, we're getting there now. Right. I think we can use Void to put it the rest of the way. Actually no, we'll just use this here. It's got better. Now we just need to aim it towards ISS point 2 and then we can start the orbit again. So just aim down the length of it. Let's get it aimed the proper way. So just going to aim that square with this here and that'll take us straight for, and let's turn on the dampeners. There, this is fixed in position there now. Need to go a wee bit left. Up them too. Now I'm just going to push it in more in towards the middle of the earth. Too far now. check. So I'm just gonna move it around, and it should be okay once we flip this here around. So once that's there lined up, that there should be lined up down below. So look down the middle of it. And then this here should be... yeah, it's alright. So we'll get it stopped here, and then we'll descend it down. Oh, we're actually in the orbit. Okay, let's get everything going. What's the program unlock? The solar rotor. I don't know what that is. Right. Target altitude is 43,000, and it is descending quite rapidly. Not sure what's happening. We are moving, but just weird. Not sure what's happening. It's very weird what's happening. We definitely have enough power, but I don't know. I don't even know if this is on or what's happening. I need to recalculate. So we're going sideways by the looks of things. Vertical velocity is still at 0. Orbital velocity is 225 and sea level altitude is 43,000, but our target altitude is weird. It doesn't seem right. Maybe it is, I don't know. Are we even rotating? With the gyros? I think we are. Something's not right. 43,000 is our target. So I'll turn it off and turn it back on. Right, it's doing something there now. Seems to be okay here. I just don't want it to go too high. Something's a bit weird here. I think it is okay, it's just doesn't seem to be doing any rotation. And solar alignment script seems to be okay. I don't think we're falling either. I think we are actually orbiting, yeah. I think we are. Looks like it. It's very hard to tell. So if we keep it on this here plane, we should see it rotate. We'll give it a wee while. Oh, it is rotating because like there's ISS one coming up the ways. But I think we can take the speed. I think we could take it down a bit lower. The laser's looking at it, that's good. Yeah, we're okay. So we're flying sort of around the equator. There's a big chunk of ice down there. Yeah, let's go and get that. There's a huge chunk of ice down there. There's right there, yeah. And the good thing is, because that there will be still connected, we'll still have access to it. Where did that go to? There it is. And we could do it filling up on hydrogen, so we need to get this drilled as quick as possible. could do with a set of drills on this. Right, here we go. Go. Let's get the miner out. Get loads of this stuff. Mine a load of this. Yeah, we could do it with a big, no, like drilling rig for ice. I'm actually gonna mark this here out as well. Ice, we'll see. Oh. I'm gonna leave that as blue. Oh, it's actually falling. Oh, need to be careful because the earth gravity will be pulling us here, so we need to just make sure that we've got quite a lot of ice there actually, so I think we're okay to go back with it. Go. There we go. Now let's get this thing back. Where is it? There it is, it's over there, it's not too far away. We can get it. We're not going to catch up at it. Just cruise it at that speed there. Got that much hydrogen. We could do with a hydrogen tank on this thing. Oh, not a hydrogen tank, oxygen and O2 generators. try to see if we can catch it here. Here we go, we'll just catch up on it here. Right, we'll just connect in with here. And we're now matching its speed. We'll just dock in with it. There we go. Good. That's us. Now, it should be generating the action and all now at the minute. So let's hop inside and have a wee look. And then we'll call it an episode. Oh, wraps it in. Alright, let's take a look. What's happening here? Yeah, it's starting to fill up, that's good. And it's all pressurized, excellent. And we'll check the O2 or the hydrogen. It should be, it's probably hidden. Yeah, they're starting to fill up, that's good. And they're probably, yeah, they're all full at the moment. So let them work away. Alright, so it's probably working away at the ice now at the moment. Let's just check the cockpit, see if everything's okay while it was on its solo orbit. Yeah, it's good, it's going over to ISS point. And we've still got connection with the satellite, or you should say the relay station, which is good. Okay, so in the next episode what we'll do is we'll go back to the moon, and we're going to make a module for the space station. It's going to be clipping onto this here, and then we'll connect it onto it, and we'll be using it to take revenge on different factions. So that it's pretty much, it's going to be like a missile, but I need to build it in a way that will suit this. I don't want to build it directly onto this here. I don't want to mess around with it. I'd rather like build something on the moon base, fly it up to it, dock it, connect it, and there you have it. But yeah, we'll see what happens anyway. So I'm going to end the episode there. We've got plenty more to come. So thanks very much for watching. If you have any suggestions or any recommendations for this here series, do drop it down below, or visit Discord channel that is linked in the description. But other than that, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. I would like to give a massive shout out to the channel donators. You help make these videos possible.